Hi everybody, thank you for joining us on our Sunday School. What we're gonna do today we're gonna paint correct this nice BMW right here. What we're gonna use to paint correct, we're gonna use 510, then we're gonna follow up with 505, and then after we're done with 505, we're gonna wipe it down with white to eliminate all kinds of oils, fingerprints, and excess material that we had left behind. And then after that, we're gonna do ceramic coating. All right, let's get to this. All right, so always, like I said, first things first, you always gotta clear the surface before you do anything. And what we're using is clay loop. All right, so now that we finished cleaning, now we're gonna start paint correcting. I'm gonna use right now, it's gonna be a light purple polishing pad with a high speed. And we're gonna use 510. All right, now that we're done with the first step, using 510, light purple cutting pad, and high speed, now we're gonna trade to the RBL 21mm with 505. And the good thing about using about the same line, it's all made almost about the same type of product. I don't have to wipe it off, so it saves you time. Now I'm gonna use a 21mm from RBL and 505. And the same purple pad, just a new one. And what this is gonna do, it's gonna eliminate any kind of holograms that the high speed left behind. So a lot of you might be asking what 505 is. 505 is an all-in-one correction glaze. It has compound polish and wax all-in-one. It's almost like 3D speed, but a lot better with a little bit more of a bite. And another feature is body shop safe. All right, so now that we're done using, first was clay, then after clay, we did a 510, we followed with 505, I wiped it off, now we did a full paint correction, and now we're gonna use white. All right, so now that we're done doing all the details on the car, now that we cleaned it also with 3D white, now we're ready to apply Graphene Infused Ceramic Coating. So I wanna show you guys really quick in the graphene right here, the thing that you see right there. That right there is our graphene. So when you get it, you want to make sure you mix it like that. It becomes graphene infused. And now we're ready to apply. Okay, so our graphene infused product comes with its own applicator and applier on there. So what you want to do, you want to grab this and put a couple of drops in here, make it nice and wet, and apply it. But what I like to use is a high-tech wax applicator. I think with this right here, it applies a lot better and bonds better onto the paint, but the choice is yours. So now what I'm doing, I'm cross-hatching it. Like that, I make sure I get 100% coverage. So the effect that you see right here, it's called rainbowing. Right here is drying on me already. You don't want to wait too long to dry because it'll be hard to come off. That right there becomes the highs and lows, and to take that off is very difficult. So now I'm gonna wipe off. Look how easy it comes off. Like butter, baby. That mac sauce. So you only want to use 2 towels. One is to wipe off one wipe. And then with your second one, you want to go wider. And then you make sure you take everything off. You never want to leave any highs and lows. If you leave highs and lows, very hard to come off. All right, thanks everybody for joining us on our Sunday School. Recap of what we used. We started off claying the vehicle first using Glow Series clay loop. Then after that, we followed with 510, and then we finished it off with 505. Then we cleaned it off, and then we cleaned it with white to eliminate any oils, and then we ceramic coated it. And there's the end result. I want to thank you guys for always joining us. See you next time.